I know, I'm not going to be jumping now.
Probably. Yeah, is it a good game? Sure. Okay, let's try it out.
They're so tight.
I want to see some other ones.
Here he comes. Here he comes.
Good boy. Yeah, you're a good boy. I do. He's really nice. I like you.
I never felt smell before.
No, they're soft, eh?
No, that's the fake. Oh. Look for the big. Look for a big bee. Oh, I see the big bee. It's up there.
Hey, farmer, you picking corn today?
Yeah.
Picking corn, are you?
Oh, I'm planting some corn.
All right. There's a lily mobile. Whoa, look at her go. Oh, Patty, she's coming around. Coming around.
Stole it.
Whoa, there she goes. There she goes. And Lily's going.
I want to go in the cornfield.
Where did they go? I don't find them anywhere. Oh, I see somebody in a blue shirt. Uh-oh.
Lily, doesn't matter. If you want to get lost, just get lost.
We haven't seen Lily for about a half an hour. I don't know where she is. Where'd she go? I don't know.
Lily, this is not funny. What's that?
Did you hear her?
Oh, I heard him.
I hear somebody.
Lily, don't do that.
There she is.
I wasn't. I was happy that I did that.